The friendly insurance broker you rely on for advice is working with a new set of tools. Their role is actively shifting into a hybrid system of human judgment and complex algorithms. Behind the scenes, carriers are deploying machine learning to process applications and triage first notices of loss in minutes. These systems sift through public records, property data, and social media to build granular risk profiles at lightning speed. For decades, insurance relied on an underwriter knowing your business history and appetite for risk. Today, an information processing model evaluates your company strictly as a vast collection of raw data points. If your data is messy, incomplete, or formatted incorrectly, the algorithm does not pause to call your broker for clarification. It assesses a higher risk level, which directly results in increased premiums or a denied claim. Relying heavily on personal handshakes in a digital ecosystem leaves your business exposed to automated decisions you cannot see. Managing this risk requires a specific, actionable plan. Step 1 is auditing your internal data. Fragmented silos attempting to feed a carrier's processor with disorganized, messy inputs will lead directly to rejected coverage. You must structure and organize your financial and operational records so that automated systems can read them clearly. Your target is a tightly packaged, standardized operational profile, completely free of missing files or contradictory numbers. In an algorithmic market, a perfectly structured, comprehensive data file serves as your company's business reputation. Step 2 requires selecting one repetitive risk workflow in your business and automating it with low-code tools. The AI staircase outlines available automation. Step 1 is traditional predictive analytics, used to model pricing and detect fraud. Step 2 is generative AI, processing administrative tasks like summarizing claims. Step 3 is agentic AI, where autonomous agents execute end-to-end tasks entirely on their own. Start small. Apply a Step 1 or Step 2 tool to a specific friction point in your office, like automatically tracking external certificates of insurance. Total company automation is not the immediate target. Mastering one specific task builds the institutional knowledge your team needs while delivering a measurable return on investment. Step 3 involves assigning a specific member of your internal team to actively manage your AI risk strategy. This org chart highlights a vital new role, the AI risk liaison. They do not need to write code. They act as a strategic watchdog positioned between your operations and your external insurance partners. They monitor emerging exposures like silent AI liability, the unsettled legal question of who pays damages when a vendor's algorithm generates a discriminatory output or makes a costly error. Your liaison drives the hard questions during renewal meetings. They require carriers to explicitly prove their data privacy protocols, algorithmic fairness, and model explainability. Relying entirely on external vendors leaves your business vulnerable to liabilities hidden inside black box systems. An internal point person serves as your mandatory safeguard. Step 4 is reallocating your human capital. You pivot your team away from manual data entry and direct their hours toward high-level strategy and culture building. Algorithms can process a simple claim in seconds, but they cannot sit at a table to negotiate a complex settlement with empathy or creatively lead a workforce through a crisis. By training your staff to interpret AI outputs, you transition their daily roles from administrative clerks into strategic decision makers. When we map these components together, we see a complete defensive circuit. You audit your data, automate a repetitive workflow, appoint your liaison, and empower your human strategy. Executing these 4 steps shifts your company from a passive buyer of insurance into an empowered, data-driven organization. To start building this structure today, you need the right software. Hit subscribe, and in the next video, I'll walk you through the specific, affordable low-code tools you can use to start climbing the AI staircase this week.